Hi, this is Artie with Detach Manufacturing. Today we're going to unbox the Detach pile driver, leaf plow, which is new. Just going to show you how easy it is to install it right out of the box. We already own a hitch on one of our mowers, so we didn't need to purchase a hitch. I suggest if you are ordering a hitch and an attachment, always install the hitch first so you have somewhere to work on the attachment. And it would just be as simple if you have a right stander, intensity, rapid height, you just bolt it on as well. We always use carriage bolts, so only one wrench is needed. I always use impact, battery, power, boom, 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 1, 2, 3, it's all set. So here we go. Let's uncrate the box here, see what we got inside. So right here, this is a filler box, that's nothing, we don't need that. In here, we have the hitch and the hardware. These are the wings, which are fully installed with swivel casters. We'll put them on at the last step. Take the other one out. So this is one person. Hopefully you'll see how easy it is to do it. What I like to do, this is the top, this is our locating arrow, which is nice. One person can slide it right in the hitch. You stop when it gets to the red line, and then the hole should always be right where you need it to be. So we're going to put that on right now. Flange nuts. That's that. I'll lift it up and see. Come over here, use your handles, just grab it from here, slide it into your hitch, there's your line up marker, close, and if not, it's just a little. So that's most of it. Then we're going to come back over here. There's 4 on each side. If you notice, 2 of these holes are bigger, so it slides over the nuts that we got going on here. That holds it all together for you. So if you come around here, put that there. Put one of these in here. That's simple as that. Again, with the carriage bolts, makes it so much easier. You don't need multiple tools. One on this side. And left hand. Okay. Zap that real quick. deal on this side. Right over those two. It's pretty cool because it kind of holds it for you, so one person can do it. Tighten her up. Then the operation of the unit, you have the handle right here. You just lift up, pull back. That's your transport position. And to raise it, has the little stickers. Drop it right down, and it's fully floating to go over everything you need to do. Again, one person out of the box, 2-3 minutes with the proper tool. And that should do it. Any other questions, you can always reach me on the internet, leave me an email, call me on my cell phone. Thanks for watching.